on enhancing cross-border transactions. And to help us to do that is Yusuf Kalamba, who is going to help us do that one. Please, if Yusuf is here, this is your time. You are standing between us and lunch. So anyone who shakes is shaking for you, Yusuf. Let's show him some love so that he do it for us in the next.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, sure. I know we about the lunch is the lunch time is very near, so I will keep this briefly and straight to the point. I'm honored to represent TCL Pesa, which is a mobile money company. It's a subsidiary company owned by TCL Corporations, which is full owned by the government of Tanzania. And at Pesa, we normally offer services like P2P transactions, international money transfers. We do bulk disbursement payments. We support merchant solutions and many more. So today I'll be presenting on the enhancing cross-border transactions, simplifying pan-African mobile payments. Okay? Enhancing our cross-border transactions, simplifying pan-African mobile payments. Okay, please, the next slide. So the stake for Africans, unifying African mobile money ecosystem is critical to inclusive growth, aligning with the AU Agenda 2063. This plan is aimed to mobilize the regulators, the MNOs, the FinTech, and the bank to mobilize the systems to cut their transaction costs and to connect more than 500 million to bring to the financial inclusions. Please, next slide. So who does what? These are key stakeholders, in case for some of us who don't know. The key stakeholders are the mobile networks, MNOs. These play a major role by providing the infrastructures, agent networks, mobile wallets. So far, they are doing a great role, like for the current statistics we have from the TCRA, more than 66 millions have been registered for mobile wallet. That means we are going ahead for the financial inclusions for the ecosystems. We have also bank, which they play a great role for the settlement services, bank wallet links. We have the FinTech. They are doing innovation solutions by using our infrastructures as MNOs. We have the regulators, they are setting the policies. We have the consumers, the customers. We have the merchants and the agents. So these are the key stakeholders. Let's look on the current state we have right now, please. So in terms of current state, we have a lot of information, but I've tried to summarize it under one slide. So you can see from the sub-Saharan African, these are statistics from GSM report. Like we have more than 700 million registered accounts from 2023 to 2025, which is increasing by 12% year-on-year increments. More than 1.2 US transactions per year. You can see that the number. So these are not just the statistics, but from this number, it can tell us that we really need to make sure we facilitate the cross-border transactions to make it easy for these people to do their transactions. Suppose I move to Uganda, I move to Kenya, I move to Malawi, I need to pay to do transaction using my Pesa wallet without having the struggling of registering other network for other countries. Of course, it save times, it save costs. These are the challenges. In fuse, interoperability gaps, only 66% of market share have cross-border integrations according to GSMA reports. High costs, per transaction costs, because if you are sending money maybe to the bank of maybe in South Africa, there is a middleware, there's another bank somewhere which is doing this kind of settlements. So we have the rural exclusions. As you can see, that's more than 45% of rurals have been excluded from the mobile money wallets. Please, let's go to the next slide. So where we want to go now? For Pan-African interoperabilities, we have to facilitate the direct wallet transfers across all African nations. For the universal financial inclusions to cover at least more than 95%, advanced product integrations like micro pensions, SME lending, and carbon credit trading via mobile wallets. Also, to cut cost efficiency, to cut costs maybe by 40% via localized currency swap without using the other middlewares. To align with the AU vision to support the agenda of 2023 by harmonizing the digital payment across in African Union. Please, next slide. Then how do we do it? Of course, it's a big journey to do it, but we admire to have this kind of thing so that you can facilitate this kind of cross-border transactions. To harmonize the rules, to adapt the AU models law on digital payments and the mutual recognitions of license, to build interoperabilities to connect MNOs, bank, and the national switches using the Pan-Africa API gateways, to liberate local currencies to enable direct currencies settlements by banks, whatever, to bridge the digital divides and to implement the cybersecurity measure and the fraud monitoring networks. So ST Pesa, for T-Pesa, our role is to streamline the cross-border transactions. T-Pesa is forefront of simplifying payment for business and customers, interoperability with global payments providers, enhancement of N-cards. We have N-cards. This is one of our products. I see for those who are living in Dar es Salaam, you know, you can use this kind of N-card for if you are football fans. You cannot go to any football pitches without having the N-cards. If you are living to Kigamboni Ferry there, you have to have N-card to do these kind of payments. A call to actions. It's good now. I know here we have the regulators, we have the bank and MNOs, we have the fintechs. So to regulators, they have to streamline the rules for fast cross-border payments. For bank and MNOs to open the APIs. And to fintech to innovate on those on top of these infrastructures which MNOs they do have. So these mark the end of my presentations. Thank you guys, and maybe let me take this opportunity to welcome you to visit our booth there outside, especially for those who are new about, who do not know about the T-Pesa. Please, let's collaborate. Thank you.